अथ अजंत पुल्लिंग ओकारांत शब्दः गो. Now this is a controversial subject in today's times. You say go and all politics etc. will float around this word go. But go in Sanskritam means both an ox as well as a cow. In the Pullinga it represents an ox, and in Strilinga it will represent a cow. But the word Pratipadika remains the same. It is go itself. Probably from this word gau, the English word cow might have originated. So you have go here, okay? Ajanta pullinga okaranta shabdah go. Gauhu gavau gavaha, gam gavau gaha, gava gobhyam gobhihi, gave gobhyam gobhyaha, goh gobhyam gobhyaha, goh gavoh gavam, gavi gavoh gosho, gauh he gavau he gavaha. This is a relatively easy Pradipadika. Now in the first here, au, avo, avaha, am, avo, aha. Till here we see that the O is changing to au. Okay. O changes to au. It is called the Vriddhi, and you get the Visarga. Okay. You heard the Visarga comes. Now Visarga is absent in the Dhatre and the Pitru Shabda. You see that in the 1.1, you see it is absent. Whereas in the rest, Anuhu, Kapihi, Balaha, all of these we had the Visarga in the first 1.1. Then we see Gau changes to Gau with Au. Au is the Pratyaya, okay? Now Gau is the Vriddhi form of Go. Because of the Purva being Au, Ayadi Sandhi happens and it becomes Gav, Gav, Au, Gavau, Gavaha. And let me tell you that the word goat does not merely mean a cow or a bovine family, but also it means the earth, it means speech, it means race and village, and what else? Yeah, village, earth, land, cow, and then speech. So probably in Hindi also we have gaon, right? A possible place of origin is this shabda, go, gaon. Now, go, coming back here, gauhu, gavau, gavaha. Again, gau is the vriddhi form, it changes to gav in the through the ayadi sandhi. Now here, this is a special one, gam and gaha. Okay, here it should have been gavam and here gaha, gavaha. But because of some other ego issues with Panini and the others, he didn't want gavam here. So he banned au here. He banned the cow at these two places, 2.1 and 2.3, and he just made it a. So gam, and then 1.2 is same as 2.2. So you copy it and then gaha. All right. Now this go is actually a transition between the Pullinga Ajanta, which means a Swara Anta, and to a Halanta, which means the beginning of those words which end with Hal, which is Vyanjana. You see some similarities in the Go Shabda and the Halanta as well as with the Ajanta. So we can say this is a transition between the Ajanta and the Halanta Pullinga Shabdaha. Because of this pratyaya. In the Halanta also we'll see that the pratyayas are exactly the same. This is the Visarga, Au, Aha, Visarga, Au, All of these pratyayas seem exactly the same, which was not the case for, let's say, Bala, Dhatra. You see, you got here Uhu, not just the Visarga, and so on. Now coming back to the third one, Gav, A. Why? Because at only some places we get the Vriddhi. For example, here also. In Sambodhana also we get the Vriddhi. Other than that, we keep the O as it is. Go, A. A is the Pratyaya, Go is the Pratipadika. Okay? You do the Ayadi Sandhi, O changes to Av. Go changes to Gav, Gava. When it is followed by a swara. But in the other places where it is a vyanjana, like you see, bhyam starts with a vyanjana bha. So there is no sandhi there. Gobhyam, gobhihi. Again, you get the ayadi sandhi here. Gave, gobhyam, gobhya. Typo here. Bhyam. Goho. With the just the visarga. Gobhyam, gobhya. Again, 6.1, same as 6.5.1, copy it. Gav oho. Because go plus oho becomes gav oho. Just like this. Then gav am. Here, you shouldn't do the go plus onam. Here the onam pratyaya, you see here, you got rinam, enam, unam, all of that. That will disappear here. Now the pratyaya has changed to only am. So it becomes go plus am, it becomes gavam. Then go plus e becomes gavi, gav e, gavi. Gavoho, goshu. And then Sambodhana here is the same as, in this case only, is the same as the Prathama. So it becomes, you copy all of the Prathama into the Sambodhana as well. The number of Okara in the Shabda is so insignificant in Sanskrita that you have only another word like Dyo. It's only 2 of them. And with a lot of effort, the Vyakaranas have come, the grammarians have come up with this Smrto. But it's just a made up word. Here, go and dyo are comparatively more in usage than the smrto. Okay, so you have dyo, which goes as dyauhu, dyavo, dyavaha, dyam, dyavo, dyaha. Now dyo means sky. Dyava, dyobhyam, dyobhihi, dyave, dyobhyam, dyobhyam, etc. You can try that with dyo also. Dhanyavada.